Guys, this is the simplest and easiest snack you can ever make on the street of YouTube. Guys, this snack was super. It was crispy. And do you know the amazing thing? You can just use few ingredients, only 3 ingredients to make this snack, and you're fine. And it's something you can make and get it from the first try. So sift your flour. So this is very important to trap unwanted particles. You need to sift your flour. Guys, like I'm not joking. If you've not enjoyed this snack before, this is just a chip, okay? Or a chips made from flour. So do you see the reason why I said you should always sift your flour? So get rid of these unwanted particles. You don't want them, right? Then next, I'm going to be adding salt. And I'm going to combine the dry ingredients together. Guys, this snack is what you want to make ASAP. You are going to love it. So combine the dry ingredients together as you guys see me do it. Then I'm going to be adding water in bits. Okay, you add water, you mix, you add water, you mix. We are looking for not too thick, not too thin consistency. Okay, so you're going to be adding water in bits. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the recipe measurement in the description, but just make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you can be able to get how to make this recipe and replicate and start making yours as soon as possible and start enjoying yours. As you guys can see, I add water, I mix, I add water, I mix, and that is all you need to do in this particular phase. Okay, so you add water, you mix, you add water. You don't want to add water at the same time. Okay, you're going to get too much lumps if you add water at the same time. So that's why I'm adding it in bits. Okay, so that we can be able to mix and get rid of the lumps. Okay, so that is why I'm adding the water in bits as you guys see me do. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the measurement in the description so that you can get the measurement and make it. So guys, as you guys can see, this is now lump free, and this is what we want. You want your batter to be lump free, okay, as you guys can see. So if peradventure there is any form of lump, you can just sieve it to get rid of the lump, okay, but make sure that there is no single lumps inside. We don't want any form of lumps inside. So guys, it's time for us to move over to the next step. So heat up your pan on a low heat. You're going to be brushing this batter, okay, on a heated pan like so. You don't want the heat to be high, okay. Just follow this process. We want a very thin wrap, okay, to give us what we want, to give us that thin crispy chips. So just take your time to brush, okay. You can brush like up to like 5 to 6 times, okay, so that it will be thin, okay. So this is what you're going to do. Okay, so once is dry, you see the edges, okay, the edges will be kind of up, then you pull it up from there. So that is what you're going to do. As you guys see me do, just lift it up from there, okay, and yes, you have it. So set that aside. So you're going to still repeat the same process again. You brush like up to 5 to 6 times. Okay, you leave it to dry up. Okay, once the edges is dry and is up, like you just notice that it has released from the pan, okay, then that way you can be able to know that, okay, it's time for you to get it off the pan, okay. So once the side is up, like from the pan, then you lift it up gently. So you keep doing this until you exhaust your flour, okay, or your butter, right? So we are doing this to get a very, very thin, crispy chips, okay? So this is how you can be able to, get that most tiniest or thinnest crispy chips, okay? So once that is done, this is what we have, as you guys can see. So this is what we have. As you guys can see, the wrap is very, 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 very thin. So the next thing we're going to do is just to tear it. We're going to tear it into pieces, like tear it. So this is a simple and easy chips you want to make. It's just 3 ingredients and you're good to go. Like I said, don't worry, just take your time, watch these videos to the end. I'm going to be leaving the measurement so that you can give it a try, and you are definitely going to get it from the first try. You're going to love these chips. So it was so crispy, and oh, that savory taste, it was so crispy. It was so thin and crispy. You can just use your hand to squash it. Like, guys, this was so nice, and your children is going to definitely enjoy this. So as you guys can see, just take your time to tear it like I said into pieces. This is one of the easiest snack you can make, okay. like with simple ingredients, you're going to have that yummy, chips to yourself. Okay, you can make it for your children if you have kids, and you keep making a particular type of snack for them. You can just give this a try. So this is a way of, adding varieties to your snack recipe. Just take your time, okay, to tear it like I said, okay. So as you guys can see, this is what we have. So it's time for us to move to the next level. So heat up your pan, like then you pour in some vegetable oil, okay, leave it to heat up. You want to do this on a low heat because we are frying this under 1 minute. Under 1 minute is done. Remember, because it's too thin. So once you add it to the oil, like you have to be very fast adding it. So once you add it, you just give it a stir. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes and everything just become brown and crispy. So you want to be fast at this stage. Okay, and remember, like I said, please don't allow your oil to be too hot, because if your oil is too hot, as you are dropping it is burning, and you don't want that. We want a well brown crispy snack, and how to achieve it is to fry on low medium heat oil to achieve what you want. Okay, so once you add it, you just stir it, mix everything so that it will get evenly done, okay, all round. Okay, and once it's golden brown, remove from heat and transfer to paper towel or sieve to drain excess oil. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same process until you exhaust your chips. Guys, this chips is so nice, and I definitely want you to try it out because you're going to love it. It was so crispy, guys. So you want to try it out. Okay, you want to try out this new snack recipe, and you are definitely going to love it. Okay, so this is the first batch, and I'm going in with the second batch. Like I said, you're going to repeat, and you don't want to overcrowd the oil with the wrap, okay, so that you don't have a soggy chips. You want a crispy chip. So this is done now. You are going to transfer to a paper towel or to a sieve to drain excess oil. And guys, this is what we have. Are you seeing it? This was so yummy. Are you seeing it? This is what you want to get. This is what you want to try out. Are you seeing how crispy it is? Like, guys, I just want you to try this snack out. You are definitely going to love it. It's just a snack, a chips, okay, made out of flour. And I hope you try this out and you're definitely going to love it. Like, you don't need too much to do this snack. You don't need too much to come up with this snack. Once you have your flour, you have your water, you have your salt, like, you are good to go. Your children can enjoy this yummy snack recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.